Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Mr. English podcast. I'm Emily, and I'm here with the fantastic Paul. Hi, Paul. How's it going?
Hi, Emily. I'm great. Super excited for today's topic. We're diving into something every English learner needs: daily use English sentences.
Exactly. Today, we're going to explore how mastering everyday phrases can really boost your fluency and confidence. Whether you're just starting out or aiming for that next level, this episode is packed with tips, examples, and real-life practice.
That's right, Emily. We'll break down why these sentences are important, how to learn them effectively, and give you tons of practical examples you can use right away.
So get comfortable, grab your tea or coffee, and let's jump in. All right, Paul, let's begin with the basics. Why are daily use sentences so important?
Great question. Daily use sentences are the backbone of communication. They're the phrases we use constantly: ordering food, asking questions, greeting people, expressing opinions, everything.
Absolutely. These are the building blocks that help you speak smoothly and naturally. Instead of translating in your head, you already have ready-made phrases stored in your memory.
Exactly. Fluency is not about knowing many words, it's about using them effortlessly in context. Daily use sentences give you that power.
So where do learners usually struggle?
Number 1, literal translation. What works in their native language doesn't always work in English.
Yes, that leads to awkward sentences. And grammar can be tricky too, especially word order, verb tenses, and prepositions.
Another problem is that learners sometimes avoid using simple phrases because they think they sound too basic.
But the truth is, native speakers use simple phrases all the time. Simplicity equals natural English.
My top tip: listen, listen, listen. Movies, YouTube, podcasts. Pay attention to how native speakers actually talk.
Repetition is powerful. Don't just read a phrase, say it. Try it in different tones and situations.
Shadow their rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation.
Write new sentences, meanings, and sample situations.
Review after 1 day, 3 days, 1 week. It moves into long-term memory.
The more you use them, the faster you grow.
Now let's give our listeners the most useful categories of daily use sentences.
Here are ways to say hello. Hi there. Good morning. Hey, for friends.
And when meeting someone new: nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you.
Asking how someone is. How's it going? How are you? What's up? Informal.
Ways to reply: I'm good, thanks. Not bad. I'm doing well. How about you?
Examples. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to? Where is the nearest? How much does this cost?
Clarifying: could you repeat that? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. What do you mean by...
Polite requests. Could you help me? Can you pass the salt? Could you please explain that?
Making offers: would you like some coffee? Can I get you anything? I can help you with that.
Giving opinions. I think that, in my opinion, I believe that.
Agreeing: I agree. Exactly. That's so true.
Disagreeing politely. I see your point, but I'm not sure I agree. I have a different opinion.
Thanking someone: thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Apologizing. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Excuse me.
Examples: beautiful weather today, isn't it? Do you have any hobbies? Where are you from?
Active listening. That's interesting. Really? Tell me more.
When ordering: I'd like to have... Can I get...
Special requests. Can I have that without onions? Do you have vegetarian options?
Useful sentences: I need some assistance. Could you help me? I'm having trouble with...
Making suggestions. How about we? Why don't we? Let's grab some coffee.
Recommendations. You should definitely try. I recommend.
Common phrases. I have a reservation under the name. I'd like to check in.
Useful questions. What time is checkout? Is breakfast included?
Important phrases. Help. Call an ambulance. There's been an accident.
Start small. Choose a few sentences from each category and practice every day.
And don't fear mistakes. Mistakes mean you're learning.
Fluency is a journey. Enjoy the process, celebrate your progress.
And that brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for joining us.
If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the Mr. English podcast and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And leave a comment below. What is your favorite daily use English sentence?
Keep practicing, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Happy learning!